Hello student, welcome back to my channel Thames. Today I am going to start one of the basic important chapter in accounts, that is recording of transaction for class 11. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon for more such educational contents. In my previous videos, I discussed some basic terms used in accounts. Today I will be discussing recording of transaction, so let's get started now. The concept of debit and credit. Every accounting transaction has got two sides, debit and credit. These are two signs used in accounting to present and report the financial effect of every transaction. It has some characteristics. These are stated below. Debit and credit are two sides of an account. The left hand side is known as a debit side and the right hand side is known as a credit side. Debit and credit is based on double entry system. It means every transaction has got two sides, debit and credit. Entries are recorded in the left hand side, known as a debit items. Entries are recorded on the right hand side, known as a credit item. Both the debit and credit is equal for each transaction. In accounts there are two systems of recording transaction. These are single entry system and double entry system. Single entry system means it only debited or credited. In this system of account, there only cash and personal account are maintained. Double entry system. This is the system of bookkeeping under which every business transaction is recorded at two places. This system is based on dual concept, which state for every debit there is a credit. As per double entry system, there is two type of methods to determine debit and credit. Traditional method, it is also known as a golden rule. Modern method, it is also known as a British approach. According to the golden rules, there are three types of accounts stated below: personal account, real account and nominal account. Personal account, it means accounts which deals with the person and institution. Person mean any natural person like Mohan, Sam, etc. And artificial person means any person which has a legal entity like SBI. Rule of debit and credit as per personal account. Debit is the receiver, credit is the giver. Example, if an amount of ₹1000 is paid to Vinod on account, his account will be debited in the books as he is the receiver. Similarly, if some money is the received from our debtor, his personal account in the books will be created as he is the giver of this amount. Real account, it means the account which deals with the various assets and properties are known as a real account. And real account also deal with the tangible asset like cash, goodwill, bill receivable, etc. Rule of debit and credit as per real account. Debit means what comes in, credit means what goes out. Example, if machinery worth ₹1 lakh is purchased for cash, then the machinery account will be debited as a machinery is coming in the business and cash amount is to be credited because it goes out. Nominal account, meaning accounts deals with the various expenses, losses, incomes and gains are known as a nominal account. Example, salaries, commission, rent, etc. Rules of debit and credit as per nominal account. Debit means expenses and losses. Credit means income and gains. Example, if the salary is paid to the employee, salaries account will be debited as salary. Here is an expenses. If the commission is received, commission account is credited as commission is in this case income for the business. All the transactions are recorded in these books strictly on the basis of these rules. Golden rules are stated or summarized below. As per golden rules, real account is to be debited when asset or any asset comes in and credited when asset goes out. As per personal account, debit means the receiver and the giver is the credit. Nominal account, all the expenses and losses is to be debited and all the incomes and profit is to be credited. That's all for today's video. To like, comment and share, show your love. In my next video I will provide another method, that is British approach or modern rules. So keep us supporting. Thank you.